Good morning, friends. Brian with Trend Motors Volkswagen here with a quick take on the recently arrived, fresh off the truck, 2021 Atlas. This is the V6 SEL finished off in Aurora Red. It is very sharp. It is also still covered in all of the protective coatings, if you will, that is utilized in transport. So this is really just wanted to show you just how awesome the 2020 Atlas is. You'll see it really took on the nose of the Cross Sport as well as the new Volkswagen emblem there. New 20-inch wheels, which for some reason, maybe it's the design playing tricks on me. They look smaller than the outgoing 20-inch wheels, but it's probably just an optical illusion. All right, so the body is the same, just a freshening. So you got new taillights back here. You have new like exhaust finishers. I call them exhaust finishers because they're just decorative. There's the new emblem right there. So it's pretty sharp. I'm excited to have one cleaned up and go through it for you. Soup to nuts, if you will. Give you a quick view of the interior. It's gonna beep at you. Nice new steering wheel there. You got the new emblem. Again, cup holders. It's all dirty, so. And this one has the optional captain's chairs. All right, that's it. Just a quick take. A little, just something to whet your appetite there. So again, 2021, if only, Volkswagen Atlas. This is the SEL with the V6, the 3.6 liter VR6 under the hood. Find it here at Trend Motors Volkswagen. We are in Rockaway, New Jersey, 221 Route 46 West. I lost my train of thought there because I noticed that these fender lines look a little different there. So pretty sharp. Online, trendmotorsvw.com, on all social media channels at Trend Motors VW. Thanks for viewing this quick take, and we'll see you soon.